Do you like birds? If so, do you have a favorite one? Like a lot of owls. Barn owls. Barn owls are cool.
Wait a minute!
Yes.
Great horned owls are cool, but barn owls are the cutest. I love them. Emperor penguins are pretty good. Toucans are pretty good. Yeah, the reason why I like toucan and emperor penguins are because they don't look real. They look fake. Yeah, they look fake. They look like CG. It's so unrealistic that I like them. Can't comprehend it. Yeah, and their faces are weird. Like barn owl and emperor penguin, toucan. It looks like something that looks CG. Because barn owls aren't that bad in terms of CG looking, but emperor penguin and toucan, they look super unrealistic. Or birds of paradise in general. Ooh, I love shoebills too. Yeah, shoebills. I love them because they don't look real. They look so weird.